Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, this Big Sid, Ready Electrical. Hey, man, I, you know, I'm having I had my water heater replaced today, and so before the guys got started, I took, I wanted to put this disconnect up here, and so the guys left. Okay, I told them, okay, just flip the handle over and push it in. You'll have power. So I left, came back, still no hot water. I don't know how this is possible. This is a GE disconnect. So I tested from for continuity, get nothing. I got to show you this here. Let me see if I can get these leads over here. Do this here with one hand. This here, it's tripped me out. Okay. All right, so these here should be, look at that, nothing. How is this even possible? Nothing. How is that possible? I do not know. This is my line coming in. Load in the middle. So we got power. We got 240 volts. This is crazy. And this is a brand new disconnect. Never been used. Straight, fresh out the box. I mean, fresh out the box. This is crazy. I come home thinking I'm gonna have some hot water. Still no doggone hot water. Because of this. And another thing, GE, you make these doggone concentric knockouts so doggone hard to get out of there. Man, y'all need to make this better, more easier to get off. Take those knockouts out. Goodness gracious. That's all I want to show y'all. So check continuity between these, if you don't got no power, because this is crazy. So you got a break up in here or something. Or this is just one piece and it's not connecting to this piece. It got to be a manufacturer error. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna cut this apart too, and see why that's not making continuity. All right, big shit out. We always ready, baby.